Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down the look. Import representative images into Lightroom Mobile or similar, then build and save a single preset that you will use for every post. Once done, export and store the preset and 3-5 crop/layout templates in a folder on your phone. Make sure to also save your preferred fonts and color codes in a note. This immediate groundwork prevents drift and makes every later step predictable and repeatable. Now batch edit. Apply your saved preset to a block of 9 to 12 images so you can preview the grid flow. Once edited, export full resolution files and name them in sequence for posting order. Open a layout or mockup app and arrange those exported images into the exact grid you want. Tweak crops and spacing until the feed reads as one coherent theme. This testing step ensures the aesthetic works across multiple posts before you. The only reliable way to keep the theme long-term is to schedule posts from a tool that preserves your exported images and captions. Upload the final exports to Creator Studio or a trusted scheduler, set posting order and times, and save the caption templates. Once scheduled, maintain backups of originals and your preset files off-device. If Instagram alters color on upload, reapply the preset to a slightly stronger export and re-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.